Chapter 1. Real numbers. Real numbers are when we collect all the numbers, natural numbers, whole numbers, and positive numbers or negative numbers. All numbers are called real numbers, as it is a bag of all numbers except the imaginary numbers. Then real numbers represent on number lines such way as it is a 0, it is 1, it is 2, it is 3, it is 4, up to infinite. Here 1, 2, 3, but this side is negative side, -3, -4, up to infinite. Between all these other numbers also rational numbers, irrational numbers, all numbers are real numbers. Now we are going to define this side is positive about the Euclid's lemma. What is lemma? What is lemma? We are going to define the lemma. Lemma is a proven thing, a proven statement by some mathematicians. After that, if and it is used for prove the other things. इसका हिंदी मीनिंग ये है कि लेमा एक ऐसी सत्यापित ऐसा एक सत्यापित कथन है जिसको अन्य को भी सत्यापित करने में उपयोग में लाया जाता है, उसे लेमा कहते हैं. एज लेमा लेमा इज and proven statement which we use to prove other things, other statements. So it is called a lemma. As according to the Euclid's division lemma used for division also. If to any positive integers, if there are positive integers as a and b, and b is smaller than a, b is smaller than a, so we can divide the a by b as a by b. If we have divided a by b and we are getting here as a quotient q and remainder r. They also exist and they also are positive. A and B, Q and R. Then we can define according to Euclid as A equal to A is greater, A is dividend, B is divisor, Q is quotient and R is remainder. Where R lies as we have written here, it is greater than R is greater than, R is smaller or equal to B, and greater than 0. Such here r is remainder, rb always smaller than divisor and greater than 0 or 0. This way we can define here r is remainder, a is dividend, a is dividend, b is divisor, q is quotient and r is remainder. This is called the Euclid's lemma. For example, we will write this example. You will see here how it works. ये काम कैसे करता है ये लेमा, क्योंकि ये प्रूवन है बाय यूक्लिड्स एंड वी विल यूज टू प्रूव द अदर स्टेटमेंट आल्सो एज find the SCF of 75 and 5 as SCF of 5 and 175, or we can say we are going to 75 dividing by 5. Then we have divided the 175 divided by 5. 5 3 is 15. 5 3 is 15. Then we subtract. Here we remain 2. Then we got from here it is 5. 5 5 is 25. Now remainder is 0. Such way we can write this is for checking all steps are right or wrong. So 175 equal to 35 into 35 plus 0. Now if we check, we are also getting 75. 5 5 is 25, 5 3 is 15 and 275. 175 equal to 175. So division lemma is proved from here. Now we are going to tell you about an algorithm. Now we will write the Euclid's algorithm. How we use in this chapter, how we check it, how we check the steps, all are correct or not correct. So first we define the algorithm of Euclid's, which is helpful. Algorithm. Simply we can say it as all go then plus rhythm. If all things are running smoothly by step, then it will be a algorithm. All steps, if we working on anything or only manufacturing, and all steps are written in the rhythm and step by step, then it is called algorithm. Euclid's define if algorithm is a step on the series of well-defined steps. Algorithm is a algorithm is a well-defined steps well-defined steps written well-defined steps form a method for solving a problem. Well-defined steps for solving a problem. These are called, this is the algorithm. Now we are going to tell you about something about this, How we use this Euclid's division algorithm to find the SCF. As we are going to finding the SCF how we find, then SCF of SCF of SCF of two numbers like 1260 and 1260 and next number is 7344. 7344. Here first we check which number is smaller. Now we are seeing here 1260 is smaller than 7344. Now smaller number be divisor and greater number be dividend. Now we going to next. This problem are find the SCF. Find the SCF. Now we divide by 1260 the greater number 7344. Now this is dividend, this is divisor. Now because it is smaller, it is greater number. How many times we will divide it? 12 5 ja 60. 12 5 ja 60. Now 5 times we will divide. 5 0 ja 0. 5 6 ja 30. 5 2 ja 10. 30. 5 2 ja 10 and 3. 13. 5 1 ja 5 and 1 6. Now we subtract here and we got here 1044. When we subtract it 1044. This is remainder now, this is quotient, this is divisor. Now the remainder be the divisor of the first. Then 12 60, 12 60. Now we divide it. It will divide one time. Now we will write here 1044. Now we subtract here also. Now we get 10 minus 4 6, 5 minus 4 1, then here will be 2. Now this is remainder. Remainder is always should be smaller than divisor. Now we write this way here 216 by we will divide 1044. How many times it is divisible? How many times it will be divisible? Now 4 times it will be divisible. Now see here 4. 4 4 ja 6. 4 6 ja 24. Now 2 carry. 4 1 ja 4. 4 and 2 6. Now 4 2 ja 8. Now we subtract here. We get here 4 minus 4 0. Now here 14 minus 6 8 and 14 minus 6 8. Now here will be 9. 9 minus 8 it is 1. Now it is a remainder. Remainder is smaller than divisor. Now we go to the next step. Next step 216. Now it is also be divisible by one time. 180 here. Now we subtract. We are getting the remainder here 6 and 11 minus 8 it is 3. Now we divide the first divisor by the this remainder 180. Then it is divisible 5 times. Now it will also be 180. Subtraction here 180 minus 180 it will be 0. Last divisor is SCF. SCF is equal to 360. We have got, but we have not checked our steps are right or wrong. So we give all the steps or check all the steps as step 1. Step 1. First we write the dividend 7 3 7344 is equal to 1260 into 5 plus 1044. If we add and solve, we will get the same thing. It is the first step. Now we will got here 5 zeros are 0, 5 6 are 30, 5 2 are 10, 5 2 are 10 and 3 then 63. It will be 1044. Now we add, we will get the same number 44 and 3 then 7. Now this step is correct. We have checked here. This way we write other steps. Step 2. Same way working is same for this also. Now we write here 1260 is equal to dividend equal to divisor into quotient 144 multiplied by 1 plus remainder 216. We will get the same number here. We will multiply, then we will got the same. But we will get here 1044 plus 216. We will get here 12. 216. We got here 1260. It means this step also right. Then step 3. Step 3. We will check here 10,044 equal to 216 into 4 plus 180. Now we multiply and we got the same thing 864 plus 180. We got the same number. It means this step also correct. Then step 4. Step 4. We write here divisor is 180. Divisor is 180. Dividend is 216. 216 equal to 180. First, second, third. 216 equal to 180 into 1 plus 36. As we are getting here 180 plus 36, the resultant number will be 216. Now we are going to the step 5. Step 5. Now we see here 180 equal to 360 into 5 plus 0. Here it will now 36 plus 5 plus 0. Now it is 180 plus 0 equal to 180. Here remainder is 0. Here we are seeing remainder is 0. It means the SCF is 36. Now we are seeing here these steps are also correct. Then it is the use of algorithm to find the SCF and check the steps also. Going to solve another problem using Euclid's division lemma as so that the square of any positive integer is either of the form 3m or in the form of 3m plus 1. Now we take any arbitrary number. We take any, let 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 n be any arbitrary number arbitrary means without any pre-plan, कोई भी नंबर ले लिया, arbitrary positive integer we have taken, and we find to square of n. As it is, he is saying it is in the form, he is saying it is in the form 3m or 3m plus 1. अगर हम किसी नंबर का स्क्वायर करते हैं तो या तो वो 3m के फॉर्म में होगा या 3m plus 1 के फॉर्म में होगा. तो हम देख रहे हैं यहाँ पर, नाउ वी आर सीइंग हियर डिवाइजर इज 3. Divisor is 3. It means remainder will be always less than 3, not equal to 3. Then or be 0, 1 and 2. Not more than 2, because 3, if it is here 3, then 3 1 is 3, it will be divided by this one. Now we going to solve it, and we can write it as n equal to 3q plus r. N equal to 3q plus r. Now we squaring both sides. Now we square. Now we squaring both sides. As n square equal to 3q plus r whole square. Now explain it. Square of 3q, 9q square plus r square plus 6qr. If you open it, n square equal to b this way. It is equation 1. After that we put the value. After that we put the value of r in this equation and find the. We have written the remainder should be 0, 1 and 2. Now putting the value of r in equation number 1, 0, 1 and 2 step by step. In first step 1. Step 1, if r equal to 0, then from equation 1 be putting here r equal to 0. Here n square be equal to 9q square plus 0 plus 6q into 0. Now we be getting here 9q square, or we can write it 3 into 3q square. Here we are saying it is in the form of 3 into 3q square. We can write this way also 3 into m, where m is equal to 3q square or n integer. Are you seeing here? It is in the form of 3m. Now we going to the next step. As step is this. Now as second step n square equal to 9q square plus 6qr plus r square. Putting here n r equal to 1. If we put here r, we are getting here अगर हम n बराबर r बराबर 1 रखते हैं तो क्या प्राप्त होगा? 9q² plus 6q plus 1. Now we can write it this way also here. R is 1. Now we take here 3q. This way also 3 we can take common. 3. Then we got here 3q square plus 2q plus 1. If we let it m, then we can write this is 3m plus 1, where m equal to 3q square plus 2q is an integer, or is an integer. As we have written. Now we going to the third step. Equal to 9q square plus 6qr plus r square. Putting r equal to 2. Now n square be 9q square plus 6q into 2 plus square of 2. Now we get here 9q square plus 12q plus 4. Now we can take common here. This way also. We take common. We can write this way also. 9q square plus 12q plus 3 plus 1. Now we are taking here common 3q square plus 4q plus 1 and plus 1. If we take it any integer, now it will be 3m plus 1, where m equal to 3q square plus 4m plus 1 is a integer. This way we have proved square of any arbitrary integer is either in the form of 3m or 3m plus 1. We will get the answer we have proved here. Now thanks, and other things I will explain in the next video.